May 26th, 2018, 11:18 a.m. Check this out. Yeah, not seeing the clouds, huh? Yeah. Yeah, watch this. Watch how I lose them in the cloud cover. Uh-huh. Look at that. Yeah, that's a contrail. Sure, that's water vapor. Uh-huh. Right. And just funny how they're just going right by the sun with this. Look at this. Look. There's the sun. There's the chemtrailer. Chemtrailer right by sun. That's why my camera's flickering, changing colors because of the sun. See, that one's going underneath that cloud. That cloud is a little bit higher than normal. Let's see if it glows. Wow! How much more chemical can you guys dump today? It's like as soon as these clouds start to dissipate, I was just getting ready to do a sky view. As soon as they dissipate, here they come. That was with the welding lens. That's my filter that 9 times out of 10 I use. I could do polarized too. See what it looks like polarized. Just about the same. Yeah, just about the same. Okay, so that's an update. Peace out.